let's fast forward to, well, actually not fast forward too much. We're going to actually rewind a little bit to yesterday because this is the good part of the forecast. What we experienced yesterday afternoon, temps in the 40s, sun, no wind. God, it felt so good. We don't ask for much around here. We just need like 43 degrees with no wind and sunshine. That's not happening today, unfortunately. We have a winter weather advisory up for the crown of Maine, accumulating snow up there, little bit through the foothills and mountains too. Right now, radar is showing some sprinkles in southern Maine. Temperatures are safely above freezing. Don't worry, the roads are not slick. Eastern Maine, actually in the mountains, we may have a little bit of slush on some of the roads with some snow showers coming out. In Bangor, we had some flurries. Now it's some sprinkles. Temps rising a little bit. We're up to 36. Down east coastline, still kind of scouring out some of the cold, but roads are going to be on the wet side. And then up north, it's a whole bunch colder. Still winter in northern Maine. It's around 20 in Presque Isle and Frenchville. And yes, accumulating snow in the forecast for today. It's not a very strong system, but there's a batch of rain here, another one here. So we won't get rid of these showers until later this evening. Not much for the morning drive. There's actually a little bit of a lull in the action, and then we kind of flare up. Those showers move in. They'll become steadier this afternoon. There's your rain snow line from about Greenville to Millinocket north. South of there, again, just wet. But chilly drops. It's not exactly going to be balmy out there this afternoon. Snowfall amounts a little bit in the mountains, more across the far north. Caribou 6 inches. That seems optimistic or a little on the high side. It's probably closer to like 3 or 4, but we'll see. There will be a little bit of problems on the roads this afternoon. Tomorrow's fine. High pressure establishes some cold over the weekend. Saturday evening, our next storm system works in. It is going to be a little stronger, and it is a tad colder. With that said, we're still going to have issues at the lowest layer of the atmosphere, near the surface, with above freezing temperatures. So even if there is snow falling, and there will be, Saturday night into Sunday morning, it's going to have a real tough time accumulating at the lower elevations. If you're in the hills and mountains, you'll have a much easier time getting a few inches of snow there. Monday, Tuesday look quiet. We'll be watching the East Coast. There might be another storm forming for the middle of next week. I actually did kind of push the snow amounts farther north for the weekend storm. Just coatings along the coast, a little slush may happen. 1 to as much as 3 inches for Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor, but probably on the lower end. And then as you get into the foothills, mountains, and far north, you'll get up above 3 inches and maybe 4 or 5, perhaps a little bit above 6 inches for some of those highest peaks in western Maine. We'll keep updating that as we close in on the weekend. Small crafts are up, seas 2 to 4, and south winds 10 to 20 knots. All right, we'll have rain showers off and on throughout the day. High temperatures just 40 to 45. Tomorrow back to some nice stuff. A lot of sunshine. It will be breezy though, 45 to 50. 40 on Saturday, low 40s on Sunday. We'll accumulate a little bit of snow Saturday night, not a lot though. It's not a big, high impactful storm event. Middle of next week, we'll watch Wednesday. That could be our next storm in this little parade that we're getting right now.
It is a parade, isn't it?
Yeah, kind of.
A parade of annoyance.
Loud and obnoxious one.
Yes.
You know that song, I Love a Parade? Yeah, not this one.
Not this one.
Not this one. All right, thanks.